What's the meaning of chapatti? Chapatti. Chapatti.
Chapatti. Chapatti. Chapatti is a type of unleavened flatbread that is commonly consumed in South Asia. It is made from a simple mixture of wheat flour, water, and salt, which is kneaded into a dough and then rolled out into thin rounds. These rounds are cooked on a hot griddle or tawa until they puff up and develop a lightly charred exterior. The end result is a delicious and nutritious bread that is perfect for scooping up curries, dals, and other dishes. Chapattis are also known for their versatility, and can be enjoyed as a snack or used as a vehicle for sandwich fillings.